Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So today I'm here with my unboxing video of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7. So this is their new mid-tier offering. I picked it up off Amazon for 181 bucks. It's got dual camera setup on the back, 48 megapixel plus 5 so you can get portrait mode. It's got a 6.3 inch full HD IPS LCD panel display. It has Gorilla Glass on the front and back. It's got the Qualcomm Snapdragon 660, which was the flagship mid-tier processor last year, and still cranks out quite a bit of power. And it's got a 4,000 milliamp battery, which is pretty neat. So it's got a case on the inside. There's documentation if you want to read it. The clear case, it's all right. It's nice that they include it with it because there's not a whole lot of options, but surprisingly, it's not even recessed enough on the back to keep the camera from protruding beyond it. So I was a little irritated with that, but so keep an eye on the camera. But overall, it's nice to throw in a clear case with it. The color on this thing is beautiful. They call it Neptune Blue. So there's been a lot of cool blue colors in different phones recently, and it has kind of like that ombre color effect to it. So it looks darker and lighter as the light hits it. But there you go. There's the 48 megapixel with the AI dual camera for optimal photo shots. I have taken a couple pictures with it. Of course, this is my unboxing video, but when I get into my first impressions and review video, I'll talk more about that. The body on this phone is made from plastic. I'm assuming it's polycarbonate, but they're calling it plastic. You really don't notice any detectable downgrade in performance or quality. It's a really solid feeling phone, actually. I do like it quite a bit. I've been using it all day today, and the camera's nice and snappy. The battery lasted all day. The fingerprint sensor there on the rear is nice and responsive as well. It comes with this, I guess it's a European power brick. It's not the traditional 110. It has a converter that came with it in the box as well, but you can use this. I'm not sure what the power rating is. I believe it's 18 watts. The phone supports up to Quick Charge 4.0, so you can recharge it quick, fast, and in a hurry. If you have a Quick Charge 4.0 adapter, it has an included USB-C adapter in it. There's no earphones. There's no other fancy stuff in there. Not a whole lot to report on the inside of the box. But overall, the phone has been really nice so far, especially for only 180 bucks. It competes performance-wise really well with the Pixel 3a and 3a XL. Those have the Snapdragon 670, which is the upgraded chipset this year, but you're still looking at $399 introductory price versus this one. You can pick it up for 180 bucks on Amazon. Now, it is running Xiaomi's overlay of the software, but it is, you can see right there, if my hand will get out of the way, the MIUI 10, which is kind of like the little skin version of Android 9.0, but it is running on the underlying Android 9.0, so you can set it up for swipe gestures, and you get some of the other functionality in there as well. There's no app drawer on this, which is a little on the irritating side, but you can set everything up how you want it. It has the, I guess they're calling it a water drop camera design that drops down on the screen. I call it a semicircle. It doesn't really look like a water drop to me, but it's not really detectable or noticeable as you're using the phone, especially in the year 2019 where everything has all these huge notches and all sorts of different ways of hiding the camera. This is a very straightforward, bare bones phone that looks really nice. It looks way nicer than its class and dollar price point. So super cool phone. Looks gorgeous, and it's even dual SIM, so you've got that going for you as well. There are a couple different variants. This one has 4 gigabytes of RAM, but they have one that has even more. So that's all I have on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 for now with the unboxing video. I'll have my initial impressions video here coming along shortly. So far, I like it. It's a really nice phone, especially for the price, and I find that it's performing well. So that's all I've got. If you have any questions on the Redmi Note 7, please drop them down in the comment section. I'll get back with you. And as always, I'll see you guys next time.